What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel, and in today's video we are taking a look at PowerA's Enhanced Wired Controller for the Xbox. This is, I guess you could call it their version 2 of their Xbox controller, which just recently came out. They did send this out to me for content creation, but I am here making a follow-up review. That way you guys can stay informed and see if this might be a good pickup or not for you. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below. And of course, I'm always happy to answer as many questions as I can, even the silly ones, But yeah, if you guys enjoy the video, find it really informative, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for future content as well, and let's hop right into it. All right, so here's the box. It's pretty cool actually, because you can just open this little lid. You can see right through it, which is pretty dope. Here's the back. Honestly, there's not much to the box itself, so let's go ahead and get right in there. One there, one here, last one. Again, this is not a full review. This is just an unboxing, first impressions. I just basically want to test out the controller for a couple of weeks and really give it my full thoughts. But as you can see here, it comes with the cable. Then you got a little instruction manual on how to set it up. Here's a controller, which actually looks so clean. Looks really beautiful. As you guys can tell, it's kind of has like a little matte kind of feel to it right over here. So this is matte. It's very smooth, soft. This is more plasticky, so you can hear that. So it's like cheap plastic here in the front, but this feels really good. I love the texture. The blue really pops with that chrome gold right there. There you have the input for the mic. You are gonna have the two panels, which you can program. But yeah, it feels pretty good, pretty smooth. It's a beautiful looking controller, and of course, pretty affordable as well. Again, remember, this is a wired controller, so you can only use it with the wire here. Okay, so you already knew I had to try it. My first game would be Apex. I just had to try it on Apex because, of course, I am a huge fan. But so far, what I've noticed from the controller, first impressions, all the buttons are pretty responsive. You got that clickiness of, a brand new controller, which is, to me, is one of the greatest feelings. I love a brand new controller and the clickiness. The main thing with these controllers are stick drift. How long will it take until this controller develops stick drift? Because it does happen. It's controllers. They're bound to have that issue. And I'm not gonna lie, PowerA controllers are kind of known, or at least a lot of the time, have had issues with the stick drift. Maybe this has been revised in this version, the Enhanced Wired Controller. I really hope so. I really hope I can give you guys some positive feedback in regards to this controller in the future. All right, so after using it for a little bit, there are certain things that I do like about this controller, and there are a few that I don't like already. So right here, you can tell like it smudges really easy. So if you kind of got like greasy hands, you're most likely gonna like get this dirty pretty quick. I don't even know where that like little grease spot is from. So I guess that's kind of one bit of a dislike. I do like the feel of the controller itself. Again, it's not very different from the first generation of their Xbox controllers. I like the little headset jack. So whenever you do plug in a headset like I'm about to do just now, it'll light up. And there it goes. If you push it down, you can mute and unmute yourself. I think that's pretty cool. Also, you can hear the in-game volume. You can go to the left to kind of like lower it, go to the right to kind of like go up. And that's pretty cool. I really like that. That's something that the first generation of their Xbox controllers did not have. Of course, they also have the little media button right here in the middle. So if you want to record or like make screenshots, videos, anything like that, you can press that. That's another thing the old controllers didn't have. To me, the bumpers here feel a little more responsive than the last gen. I'm not sure if it's the same thing or not, but they just feel a little different. Maybe it's just me, I'm not really sure. The rumble on it, it's not like the strongest, but it's there. It's not bad. You are paying for a much cheaper product here, so it's not that bad. Overall, feels good, plays really well. To play a little bit of Apex, I'm not very good on the controller. but I think I'm gonna casually use this to play some campaign games. I think it should be pretty good. But yeah, stay tuned for my more in-depth review. These are just kind of like my first impressions right out of the box, testing it for like 20-30 minutes. But so far, so good. I do enjoy it. I like it. How good will this be long term? I'm not really sure. It's a budget controller, and I think all of us here know how budget controllers go. But I have high expectations. PowerA usually delivers pretty good products, and this one seems to be a good one as well. Okay, well, if you guys enjoyed the video, thumbs up if you liked it. If not, well, I suppose thumbs down. Anyways, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for chilling. Bye.